What is going on, everybody? It's the Naughty Investor here. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. We just hit 2,300 subscribers, so I'm really happy about that. Thank you, everybody who repeatedly likes and comments and shares my videos and gets on my email list. Really appreciate it. Really happy about this. I'm trying to go full-time on YouTube, hoping to do it by the middle of 2018. Speaking of 2018, Bitcoin could easily reach 40K by the end of 2018, according to hedge fund legend Novogratz. Let's move down a little bit. Let's go over here, and I'm going to link the video in the description if you guys want to check it out after this video. After this is done, check out that video, but I can't put it in this video or else YouTube will be like, copyright strikes and whatever. So Bitcoin could be at $40,000 at the end of 2018. It easily could, Michael Novogratz said on CNBC's Fast Money. And Fast Money is kind of like a financial show. I know a lot of people don't like CNBC or, whatever. They think, it's fake news. And whatever, they might very well be. But, when it comes to financial stuff, they do have a lot of good financial programs on there because the profit up here, it's a really good show. A lot of good business shows. I know a lot of you guys are interested in business. And by the way, if you are, get on my email list. But, CNBC does have a lot of financial shows, and this is one of them. Ethereum, which I think just touched 500 or is getting close, could be triple where it is as well at Novogratz. Ethereum did not hit 500 yet. It was very close, so that's where he's sort of right. He is a former macro hedge fund manager at Fortress Investment Group, and Novogratz doesn't recommend retail investors put any more than 1 to 3% of their net worth in cryptocurrencies, or wealthy investors to put more than 5 to 10%. I kind of disagree with him there. I think, your average person should put 5 to 10%, and if you're wealthy, maybe 15 to 20%, right? But you might be able to say I'm biased about that just because I'm a big cryptocurrency nerd. So, I don't agree with him. I think 1 to 3% isn't enough. I think you should have at least 5% if of your net worth in cryptocurrency. But I disagree with him, but that's fine. I still like the guy. It's just, we could have disagreements. And this is where the video is if you guys wanted to check it out. I will put it in the description. So, former Fortress hedge fund manager Michael Novogratz said Monday that Bitcoin could multiply more than 4 times in roughly the next 13 months. Bitcoin could be at $40,000 at the end of 2018. It easily could. Michael Novogratz said Monday on CNBC's Fast Money. Ethereum, which I think just touched 500, and again, it almost touched it, I'm pretty sure, because I keep up with this, or is getting close, could be triple where it is as well. I actually agree with him on that. I think Ethereum is going to beat 1,000 in 2018. I'm confident. If it doesn't beat 1,000, I think it'll at least get very close. Bitcoin was trading near 9,656 late Monday afternoon after hitting a record high above 9,700 earlier in the day, according to CoinDesk. Ethereum hit a record high of 493.40 cents Monday, according to CoinMarketCap, and was last traded near 482. So yeah, almost at 500. That's what I thought. Didn't think it quite hit 500 because that would have been a big alert. But it came close, which is good. I think it's definitely going to hit 500 soon, though. The total market capitalization of all digital coins on CoinMarketCap hit $304 billion on Monday. Novogratz said he expects that could increase by 6 times. By 6 times to $2 trillion at the end of next year. And we have this little graph over here just showing the market capitalization. As you can see, we have a big surge over here. I mean, things are going up for crypto. If you're in crypto like I am, you're making good money right now. At least as a form of investment. And again, you don't make money until you sell off, and I don't recommend selling off anytime soon. And even if you do sell off, I don't ever recommend selling everything off. If I were to sell some of my crypto, I wouldn't sell all of it. I'd sell maybe half of it, buy a home or something, another form of, investment. But I would never sell all my crypto because I think, long term, all these cryptos are going to be, definitely over, going 10 times, 20 times what they are now. But that's just, my opinion. That's for a separate video. So I will, if you guys are interested in things like that, make sure you subscribe. There's a big wave of money coming, not just here, but all around the world, said Novogratz. formerly a macro hedge fund manager at Fortress Investment Group. I don't know why they keep repeating that. We get it. He was at Fortress Investment Group. He's planning to launch a $500 million digital asset fund through his firm Galaxy Investment Partners. Demand from Asia has contributed to Bitcoin's gains. Japanese yen trading in Bitcoin dominates trading volume at about 62%, according to Crypto Compare. US dollar Bitcoin trading accounts for about 21%. That is still pretty good. And trading in South Korea accounts for about 9%. So Bitcoin very much is an international thing. This is where I disagree with people who say, oh, Bitcoin's in a big bubble. Bubbles usually aren't international. Bubbles are usually in, the United States, the NASDAQ's in a bubble, or Britain's economy is in a bubble. Usually bubbles are not worldwide, but, could there be some overvaluation? Possibly. But these people who think, oh, Bitcoin's going to go to zero, they're totally wrong. Bitcoin will never go to zero because it costs about $1,000 to produce Bitcoin. So in my opinion, the lowest it could ever go, and I don't even think it'll go this low, is 1,000. But I'm not even saying it will go there. I think the lowest, if you actually look at the data, the lowest I think it could ever go is 7,000 right now, because that's where support levels are. And if you understand technical analysis, you understand how to read charting, 6,000 to 7,000 is where support levels are. That's where there's been a lot of consolidation. I don't think it'll ever go below there, even if there's a big correction. But for right now, we're in a bull market. Prices are going to keep going up. So, 2018, this guy thinks that it'll hit 40K. I'm not that bold. I'm not going to make that prediction on this channel because if I'm usually conservative with my predictions. I think 2018, maybe 15 to 20K, and I'm just being reasonable here because I don't like making big, bold. It's good for viewership on YouTube just to make big, bold predictions, right? But I don't want to just hype. I don't want to be a hype beast and just hype things up. I want to be honest with you guys. I don't think it'll hit 40,000, but I think it'll go up. I think it'll go up, definitely. I think Bitcoin's going to keep going up throughout 2018. I think the demand is there. I think it's going to keep growing, but I hope I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong and Bitcoin doesn't hit 15K and instead does hit 40K because I'll be a rich man, you'll be a rich man or woman, if you've been following my advice, and we'll all be, pretty well off. And Ethereum, as for Ethereum, I think we're going to hit about 1,000, but I could be wrong there too. I hope we hit more. So that's it for this video. If you want to link to this video, I just hit my hand on my desk. Wonderful. If you want to check out this article, link in the description. If you want to see the video, link in the description. Check it out. Get on my email list. Leave a like. Subscribe to this video, guys. Helps me out a ton. Share it everywhere. Share it with your crazy uncle because your crazy uncle wants to see this video. We all know it. Send them an email. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Have a great day.